What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Yes, my name is Jan Faricelli. I'm a car enthusiast from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, and today I'm doing the sketchiest mod of all the mods I've done in my car. I'm going to do the sketchiest of all, so stay tuned. We have the car inside the garage. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Well, today I'm going to be lowering the car for just like $2. Literally, I'm going to lower my car with just $2 of investment. I didn't buy anything. How am I going to lower my car? Well, I just have like a grinding machine, and I'm going to cut my springs. As stupid as it sounds, I know it sounds stupid, but I'm still going to do it. I just want to lower it to see how it looks. This is just going to be temporarily because I am planning on buying a suspension system for the car. But you know, with all that's going around, I don't want to like pay $500 and, you know, wait like 2 months for my suspension. So yeah, I'm just going to go with that. That's going to be my excuse to do this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right now I'm just gonna pop the hood and begin like to see how to get to the suspension. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing I gotta do is get rid of this piece and the wipers. So to get rid of this top part right here, I just need to push in 4 clips that are, one is here, one in here, one here, one here. That is the clip, and if you can see, I just need to like push it in, and that just comes right off. You can see that. So as you can see, that's pretty easy, but that is just the first part of this whole process. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I finish with that. So that was basically a straightforward job. I just unbolted both nuts and got both wipers out of the car, and I labeled it like, you know, I put a little tape right here, the tape right here, so later on I can identify them and know which wiper goes where. So right now I'm going to take this piece off, and I think it's pretty straightforward too. I just have to get this plastic out of there, and this plastic, I don't want to break it. Yeah, there you go. And I think, yeah, there it goes. So I'm gonna put you guys down because I need both of my hands for this job, so yeah. So right now the problem I am having is this little hose right here. I think that is like a wiper washer hose that comes all the way through here onto like here up somewhere. So I'm gonna try and disconnect that hose to get this panel off, and, you know, then work in here. I'm so excited for this mod because I've been waiting to lower my car literally since the day I got it. I wanted to lower this car, but you know, I didn't have the money to buy a suspension, and I really didn't have the equipment to lower it, you know, on a budget like I am doing today. So now that I have the equipment, and have everything I need to lower it, I'm going to take advantage of this chance that I have and, you know, get this mod done. From this point on, I just have to lift the car and start unbolting that suspension. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse I'm going to do right now. So guys, picking up on where we left it yesterday, I left it at this point. I got the wheel out of the car and now I'm just going to try and get this out of here. So first sight, I just can see these two bolts are holding in the actual brake to the suspension, so those two bolts need to go. This bolt is holding like this line here. There's another bolt back here that is holding this other line, and this bolt up here that is holding it to the bar, whatever that is. Then I'm going to unbolt every single screw I have up here so that suspension can come out and keep up with the work. After battling with this for about ¿cuánto estuve en esto? Como una hora? 1 hour or so, maybe more. I finally got the bolt to move. So, well, actually the lower bolt moved, but the top bolt hasn't moved, so I still have to struggle with this one. Look at this position. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I have to do in order to get like some type of support so that I can do my magic here. So let's see. Diablo, este está duro con cojones, ¿viste? So guys, after fighting for about 2 hours with this fucking, I finally got it to unscrew. So if you're hearing a lot of noises in the background, I'm sorry. That is a neighbor of mine that is cutting his grass today. So yeah, that's happening. Anyways, after fighting for about 2 hours with these two bolts here, I finally got them to unscrew, so I can finally move on and get this lower part out of the suspension. Now I'm gonna unscrew up here and get the suspension out, so yeah. So now that we have this bad boy off, the next step we have to take is I have some compressors, some spring compressors, so I'm gonna hold the spring from both sides, and I'm just going to unscrew this top screw right here, and that is supposed to let this top part of the suspension come off, and that is supposed to be it. After that, that spring must come off, and then it's up to cutting the spring, which is the sketchiest part of all this process. This is maybe just too big of a job for me, but you know what? It's quarantine time, so whatever. It is what it is, right? So these are the springs compressor I have for this to, you know, hold the springs here. So it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, thanks for my neighbor, Rigi, for lending me spring compressor. I'll make sure to not break it and you know, have the chance to give it to you back. Start tightening the screw and it should hold the spring tight. So I'm gonna use both of them just to be safe, you know, safety first. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna go quickly to a local Walmart near here and I'm going to buy a deep socket box combo, whatever. And you're gonna come with me to that trip, so enjoy this time lapse. So boys, finally found them. I just got home. So yeah, let's get to work. So as you know, I already got my deep socket wrench. So now it's just time to get rid of this knot up here. We're good to go. Pull this out. Yep. There it goes. Whew. So now that we have taken off the spring, next step is make our markings to, you know, see where I'm going to be cutting the spring. And yeah, I hope this goes well. I'm gonna be using this to cut the spring, so yeah, I hope everything goes well. I hope this shit doesn't break on me. Right now, I'm going to reinstall this whole coil, spring, whatever you want to call it, reinstall it here, and start working on the passenger side of the car. So after a lot of work, finally could install this side. Bro, the spring, because it's not like in the exact same place, didn't want to come in here, but I fought the hell out of this bitch and got it in there. So yeah, that's good to go. Bro, my hands are filthy. Look at this, bro. Bro, look at this shit. That is fucking disgusting, bro. So guys, as you just saw, yesterday the night came up real quick on us, so I really couldn't, I really couldn't record a lot of what we did on the passenger side. But as you guys can see, the car is completely reassembled. Everything is back on the car, and it looks great, bro. Look at that. So much lower. But I don't want to show you guys too much of the car just because I want to do like a proper short film reveal video for the mod. So I'm going to leave that for the next video. I am sorry if you want to see that, but subscribe to the channel and watch my next video too, so that you can see the review video of this mod. So yeah, I'm going to just leave it at this point. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down below, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so that you can see the review video of the car. And comment down below if you like the video, if you want to see like something specifically about the car or something you want to see. Comment down below and let me know. So see you in the next one. Peace and never give up.